A Gold IRA is a type of self-directed retirement account that allows you to invest in physical gold, providing a valuable hedge against inflation and market volatility. Unlike traditional and Roth IRAs, which primarily hold stocks and bonds, a Gold IRA diversifies your retirement savings with precious metals. Selecting the right custodian for your Gold IRA is critical. It's important to choose a custodian who is reputable and trustworthy. Key factors to consider include custodial fees, the level of security provided, and the quality of customer support. Comparing top custodians will help ensure a safe, efficient management of your retirement assets. Funding your Gold IRA can be done through rollovers from existing retirement accounts or direct contributions. Understanding the rules for transfers and the tax implications involved is crucial to optimize the benefits and comply with IRS regulations while securing your retirement with precious metals. When selecting precious metals for your Gold IRA, consider the purity requirements and decide between coins and bars based on liquidity and storage considerations. Secure storage is paramount, ensuring your investments are protected and comply with IRS regulations for precious metals IRAs.